In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WP Engine and LocalWP for 2025. We're about to embark on a journey where local development meets powerful web hosting, all within just a few steps. The first thing you'll want to do is integrate WP Travel Engine. It sets the framework for a seamless connection between your local and live sites. Once you've done that, navigate to installing LocalWP. This step is crucial because LocalWP acts as your testing ground, simulating a live environment on your own computer. Now head over to localwp.com where you can download and install local on your computer. This will give you the freedom to make changes and test them locally before they go live. Next, you need to log into your WP Engine account. This step is essential because it allows LocalWP to communicate directly with your WP Engine sites, ensuring any changes made locally can be effectively applied to your live site. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to open LocalWP. When you do, click Connect to WP Engine. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be creating a link between your local environment and your hosted site. Moving along, it's time to log in with your WP Engine credentials. Use your existing login details and this will securely authenticate your account. After logging in, connect your WP Engine site. You'll be able to choose your WP Engine site from a list, so no second guessing or wrong clicks here. With your site selected, you'll click Pull from WP Engine to copy it into local. This process will bring over all your site data so you can start tinkering in your new local setup. With your site now available locally, you can go ahead and edit it. Click on Edit your site locally. Here you can make all the changes you need on your pages, themes, or plugins without affecting your live site. The beauty of this is that you can test all your adjustments right on your own computer. Once you've imported your site into local, open the site, or go straight to WP Admin to dive into the nitty-gritty details of customization. As you complete your changes and adjustments, you're ready for the next major step. Push all those meticulously crafted changes back to WP Engine. By clicking on this option, you ensure all your local work is ready to be sent back to your live environment. Finally, you'll need to decide where you want these changes to land, either on a staging environment where you can test further or directly into production where they will be visible to the world. Confirm your push, and with that, your local development project has successfully gone live. That's how you use WP Engine with LocalWP in 2025. It's a straightforward but powerful process that brings together local development and high-performance hosting effortlessly.